Hello everybody and good morning. So it is January 22nd and I am flying back to New York today a couple days earlier than originally planned because of this huge snowstorm that's coming. Had to beat the snowstorm. So yeah, I'm getting ready to leave for the airport in about 20 minutes. I'm going to be vlogging today if you can't tell by the fact that I'm doing this right now. I'm ready to go. Basically my bag's all packed and all that jazz. Just gotta like get out of the house. Who wants an outfit of the day? I'm wearing turtleneck from Topshop, mom jeans from Brandy, and my Acne boots. And then I'm gonna put my leather jacket over it. This is my bag. It's got all my junk in there. Almost forgot my phone charger, so that's a great start to the day. Just realized I didn't put deodorant on either, so that's another great start. Okay, I'm gonna get my shit together and figure my life out, and then I'll talk to you guys in a bit. I'm in my room. I'm actually almost finished unpacking already, and I need to get food because come tonight it will be snowing for probably the next couple of days and lots of snow will be coming, so I won't be able to really go out and go food shopping, and I obviously have no food because I've been gone for a month, so I gotta go get food. That is the #1 priority right now. Carrie's in the shower. We already had a little reunion, and I'm just trying to get organized and then go get food, like I said. So I will keep you guys posted. I mean, today's travel vlog probably wasn't too exciting because I was more of just like, I'm ready to get back kind of thing. But I'll continue this in the next couple of days. Look who's here! Hi! As she's getting ready to leave, I'm getting ready to do nothing and have a lazy day because I'm tired as hell and I haven't eaten and I'm got my tortellini ready. I'm literally staring at the viewfinder. I always do that.
Yeah, and that's far off to the side.
I know it is. So it's obvious. We just went and got some wine, stocked up for the weekend / next week because we aren't gonna be able to leave the apartment probably all day tomorrow or the next day. Kind of. I mean, yeah. It's like it's. I don't think it's as heavy as yours. Because yours is bigger. This is the Rebel body. No. Your
my big
camera.
Yeah.
This is the Rebel body.
My lens is pretty heavy too.
Yeah, it's the long one. Anyway, yeah, so she's just getting ready to go out, and I'm getting ready to do nothing, and I'm stoked. I was gonna say hyped, and then I was gonna say stoked. Girl. Okay, well, just wanted to show Carrie on the vlog, because it's been a while.
It has.
Okay, enjoy your wine. I'm gonna go sit in my bed.
Well, hold on. Now you have to be on my vlog.
Okay, hurry. Well, the storm is here. Look at this. It's crazy, and all the snow on my windsill. I don't want to open the window. Good luck, guys. Look at that. Hello. So it's now like 12:30. You saw this morning I was like filming the snow because it's just so crazy. So this is it now. It's like pretty intense. Like, I don't know if you can see it, but the snow is coming down really heavy. It's like so gusty. It's hard to pick up on camera. But the windows are like all covered in snow. And I like kind of cleared them off earlier so that I could see outside because I like wanted to look at it. But yeah, anyway, me and Carrie are gonna watch Harry Potter now because like what else do you do when there's like so much snow? Last year we watched Twilight and now we're on to Harry Potter, so it's like a tradition being continued. But I think Juno was like basically a puny little bitch compared to Jonas, so I'm pretty stoked about the fact that there's just like tons of snow. And who knows, maybe we'll venture into the snow later and like bring some cameras and take photos because it just looks so cool. And yeah, so I'm gonna get my duvet because it's cold in our apartment. And we're gonna watch Harry Potter. We're setting up! Oh my god, I'm so excited. Oh.
Stop! I'm so happy. This brings me so much joy. We are literally so. I kind of want my big white comforter.
I thought you were bringing it. That's why
Should I go?
I mean, if you want. Oh my god, I'm so
Okay, but the feet cannot be like.
We need to like go side to side.
Yes.
I'm just trying to figure out
On
like
the inside?
I'm trying to stretch out my blanket because it's kind of like bunched up still. Like,
Wait, my feet
why
are
don't we
exposed.
share?
My feet are so exposed.
They're like out of the blanket. You mean? Hold on. Why don't we like figure this out?
I have my computer.
Do you want to go under this?
I can't have my feet touching you though because I'm weird.
I have socks on.
I know, but I can't like be physically touching.
Like we can't. Okay.
No, like through a blanket I can do that.
But like.
Because I don't have any socks on, so it's like weird. All right, here. You do this. Oh wait, how does it go?
It's. This is so fun.
Here we go.
We're like a burrito.
I'm so excited about this.
Oh, I love this. I'm still cold.
Same.
All right.
So we are posted.
Taking care of Nick. Why is it so hard to do one thing?
We are posted up.
I'm so cozy.
We're gonna watch Harry Potter.
Which one are we watching? Part 1? Deathly Hallows Part 1?
Yeah.
Ew, I just like puked in my mouth.
We're watching New Girl.
We're watching New Girl right now. I'm so cozy.
Look at how cozy that was.
There's nothing wrong with who I am.
Yay!
And I like having
Okay. We're doing it. We're doing it. Outfit of the day?
Okay. Let's go
Grinch
outside.
onesie. Let's do this. Okay. Let's go together. I have one glove.
Oh my god, the snow!
The snow came in. Oh my god, wait, how do we get out? I didn't even think about this.
Hold on. Shit.
Can we even get out?
Yes.
Oh
Holy
my god.
shit.
Oh, puppy. God. Julia, be careful. I will be. I already put my hand in the
Oh my
snowball.
god.
It is so... Should we go say hi to Kayla?
Okay, so this is a storm. If I've ever seen one. Watch out.
Sorry. Oh my god.
Let's go say hi to Kayla.
Let's go say hi to her. Oh my god.
This is insane.
This is awesome. Where's Kayla?
This is incredible.
Is that
my
Caitlin?
camera's bleeding. I don't know, just go inside.
I can't see. So we're back and our hair is all wet on the bottom. It was so gnarly because it was like the wind, you know? It's like blows you in the face. You can't even see because of all the snow. But it was fine. There's a lot of snow out there.
A lot of snow.
Oh, I gotta take this off. Striptease with my Grinch onesie. Yeah, so I wore like layers, obviously. And I wore my Liam socks. Because why not? So, back to being lazy. Our skylight in our living room
Crazy.
is officially covered, I'm assuming. That's all covered in snow, if you can tell.
Oh my god.
It's just a layer of snow all over the top of it. It's so dark in here now. But
That's it. So we're gonna watch.
we're gonna go back to watching our movie now. Doing it again. Oh!
Oh, sorry.
Oh god, oh god. Oh no. Oh. It's so hard not to fall. Oh. Okay, here we go. Not gonna fall. Oh, I did it. Oh god. It's like blowing right in the face. Oh my god. Oh, I got hit in the eye.
God.
Look at this path though. This is pretty nice. It's a little slippery. Wait, where is it? I see a mirror and windshield
I
wipers.
think this is what Juno was supposed to be.
Yeah.
It didn't quite.
Dude, that's
Poor thing.
so crazy. This is unreal. Like, I wish I could show scale on a video. This is so crazy. This is actually so insane. Oh my god, I've never seen anything like this here. Well, I don't think I've ever seen anything like this. It's like a ghost town. Oh god, that wind.
Okay.
Where we're literally walking in the middle of the street.
It is crazy.
Where are you going?
Well,
Es crazy, yo, ¿no es cierto? Yo estoy loca, ¿no es cierto,
it has like a
papi?
hairdo. Doesn't it look like it's like fresh, ready to go? I'm dying.
It's freezing.
I'm trying to. What are you doing?
So cold.
Are you?
Going back out into the storm one last time, I think, for the night. Because we're going stir crazy. It's like 9:30 and we haven't left for like hours. We're taking a roommate trip to the market to get some snacks or something, or just get out of the apartment. Okay. So this person is not going to be able to leave their apartment for like days.
I messed up that Snapchat for a second. Days. Where?
But it's really died down. There's like very little snow left and very little wind.
Burrowed in
There's
and then
a
you were
car
just like
under
hanging
there.
out in there,
Like-
like a fort.
Like, guys,
In time, there was a car.
where my foot doesn't even go in that deep because it's my entire leg.
Oh my god, Julia.
It's my whole leg. Okay, I'm gonna get out now. I need. Hold on. Can I get a hand? 1, 2, 3. Sorry, guys.
She's stuck. We just leave you there. Hey, have fun.
Like I would have really been stuck.
It is so crazy.
Yeah, it's a
Battle.
lot of snow. Let's go.
I'm gonna trust fall back. Wait, are mine gonna be okay?
Yes, Carrie. You're literally gonna drop like 2 feet. You put your butt first.
She cheated. She cheated.
You have to turn and do
Oh
it again.
it's so cold.
You have to turn and do it without the butt, man.
No, because it's cold.
Can I try? Can somebody hold all this junk? Carrie, you want to take these bags?
I can take it in my other hand.
Ready? My turn.
It's harder because it's more shallow than you think.
I'm scared.
That's what I'm saying. That's why I went
Go like
first.
go into that part right there. Yeah, like put your feet like right there. Right there. Yes. Yeah. Okay, I got it.
I kind of want to keep my hand here.
Oh, that was good. See, you had a big plump on. I had like no,
You stuck your entire butt out.
I had a fluffy ass one.
Your form was really good. Beautiful form.
Thank you.
Perfect form.
On this one. Here.
Go run and belly flop into that big mound. Trading.
Okay, ready? Hold on.
Is it on my wrist?
No. Oh.
It was totally on my wrist.
All right.
This actually might hurt. Like it could be hard under there. No, I think it's fine. We're good?
Is there a car under there?
No.
I'm joking.
You just go like this, like. And then, you know. I want to get my phone wet.
Let's go, ladies. Do it together.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3.
Nothing. Literally no imprint. Go feet first. Go feet first. Oh my god, you're literally on top of like a sick mountain. I'm pretty sure we're 5. Like a track star?
My ass wet.
Nope. Almost.
Hello.
It's so cool out here.
It's like in my craft shop.
It's so dead out here.
Yeah. No, in the crotch. Feels good. Alright.
Uh-oh.
That was refreshing.
Alright, my hands are freezing. Okie dokie vloggy. Vloggy. It's really late and they like cleared the whole street and I don't like it, but there's still like 80 feet of snow, so it's like fine, but it stopped snowing. We just watched the last song in honor of Miley and Liam's reconciliation and it was
awful.
I still liked it. It was a cute story. I mean, the acting is fucking terrible. It's
was
like
horrible.
literally couldn't be worse, but they're so cute though. Right? Like the waterworks though.
Yeah.
He even got the snot going.
Yeah. Like just the tears all the way down.
So good. Okay.
It's so cold.
It's 12:30, so it's time. Yeah, it's freezing in here, and I want to get in my bed. I just turned my
We've
heating
done-
pad on.
Nothing all day.
Carrie, you couldn't have done anything. Nothing.
I know, but it's just like I can't believe I'm like this tired. We did nothing.
It's being lazy. Just being.
And I have to go to work tomorrow.
That fucking sucks. Ugh.
But you have school Monday. That sucks even more.
I don't really mind it.
I hate school. I'm so glad to be done.
Okay.
Good night.
Night. Good night.
Hey, come say goodbye to Mom.
Good morning from the snowpocalypse. We have tons of snow. I feel really bad for that guy over there who's trying to dig a trail in like literally almost 2.5 feet of snow. But you know what? It's gotta be done. The road looks nice. Look at all the snow. There's just still a bunch of snow on my windowsill. A little chilly. Doesn't look too fun out there, but I'll probably go outside. Bye, Care.
Bye.
Have fun at work.
Thanks. You still vlogging?
Yep, just for the rest of today and then gotta post it, you know. Have a good day. Thanks. You look cute and cozy.
Yeah, that's the word.
Cozy. Hello everybody, so it's like nighttime. I literally haven't vlogged all day because I really didn't do much. I went and like got groceries and went to the drugstore. I edited the vlog, but the vlog is so freaking long. So apologizing for that now, but that's why I'm ending this now because I don't want to make it any longer. I hope you enjoyed the blizzard / travel vlog. I start classes in the morning, so I'm going to be a bit more busy than I was, but I will continue uploading as regularly as possible, obviously. And yeah, hope you enjoyed the vlog. Sorry it was really long, once again, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!